So, how muscle building occurs. So, inside of your body, when you do resistance training or strength training, your body looks like this. So, there is a muscle, and inside the muscle, there are muscle fibers, and inside the muscle fibers are what's called myofibrils. So, what happens is when we do strength training, the burning sensation is the little myofibrils that are inside the muscle fibers. What they're doing is it's causing microscopic tears in those myofibrils. And then what happens is the body says, okay, you have broken down the myofibrils. And so what I need to do is I need to adaptively repair those myofibrils using stored fat. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to build more myofibrils inside the muscle fiber in order to be stronger for next time. So what we're doing is we're creating more muscle fibers, larger muscle fibers in order to create more muscle. So more muscle, not only does it metabolize fat for you at rest, it also makes you more stable, gives you better balance, better strength. It's also aesthetically great, showing off the muscle tone as well.